Welcome back. On Thursdays, 6 News is here for your health. This is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the Ohio State University's Comprehensive Cancer Center recently released a study on groups more likely to die from breast cancer and why. According to the study, Black women have a higher chance of getting an aggressive form of breast cancer, and they're 42% more likely to die than white women. The study also shows Black women face more obstacles to getting genetic testing that could save their lives, and those include financial stress, more urgent health problems being addressed first, and not being able to speak with specialists. Denise Pittman is a breast cancer survivor and a patient at OSU's Arthur G. James Cancer Hospital.
No one in my community talked about that. No. Now they have programs where, like the James, other sources are coming into our communities, like the churches and things of that nature. They're talking about so many different things. It's like now you have the resources, but 11 years ago, you didn't hear it.
One of OSU's doctors says healthcare providers still need to do a better job of getting that information out there to help women overcome those barriers.
I think there's still a concern about bias, concern about discrimination. If there's a known mutation, what are the implications for other family members? What are the implications economically? What are the implications for insurance coverage, for example? So those are things I think people worry about that may pose a barrier to them obtaining genetic testing.
Doctors say women who have a risk of breast cancer should get an annual mammogram beginning at 40 years old, and those with dense breast tissue should start even earlier. The university has an online tool that can tell people their risk for breast cancer. It's called Turning the Page on Breast Cancer. Users answer questions about their medical and family histories, and those considered high risk can then get information on genetic testing. You can find it by going to the Scene on 6 section of our website, WLNS.com. Coming up.